Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I am sharing banana cutlets. Cutlets are usually made with meat or vegetables. Here is a sweet cutlet recipe using ripe plantains. For this recipe, we need ripe plantains 4, raisins 1 tablespoon, cashews chopped 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1 cup of coconut, and ghee 2 tablespoons. Heat a saucepan and you can add the ghee. Add 1 tablespoon raisins and cook it well, and then you can add chopped ripe bananas and mix it well. Let it cook for like 2 to 3 minutes and then you can add chopped cashews to it. Add 1 cup of coconut and mix it well. Add 1/4 teaspoons of cardamom powder, and finally you can add 2 tablespoons sugar and mix it well. Make sure to smash the banana properly. You can actually steam cook the banana and you can add it to the mix and do the same process. Now the banana mix is almost ready. Once it's ready, you can turn off the heat and let it cool. Once it's cool enough to handle, you can make small balls lemon size and then press it with your hands and make small cutlets. For coating, here we are using egg 1, beat it well, and breadcrumbs 1 cup. First dip it in the egg and then coat it well with the breadcrumbs. For shallow frying, heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, you can place the cutlets one by one and shallow fry both sides until it's golden brown. Make sure to flip both the sides and cook well. Once it's ready, you can remove. I'm going to do this in the air fryer. First, preheat the air fryer 350 Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Now you can place a liner and just spray the basket with some oil spray and place the cutlets in it. Spray more oil on top and then you can air fry for 8 minutes. Halfway you need to just flip the sides and again spray a little more oil on top and then cook for another 4 more minutes until it's done. Once it's done, you can remove and it's perfectly done. You can transfer to a serving plate. Banana cutlets are ready to eat now. Here is the air fried version and shallow fried version. It's very easy and healthy recipe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye, take care.